G'day folks, Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles here. Today I have another bike that we have been waiting for a very long time to see in the flesh. This is the 2022 XSR700 in Heritage Black. Let's jump in and take a closer look at this fantastic motorcycle. There you go folks, the 2022 Yamaha XSR700 in Heritage Black. Now if you're after one of these machines, make sure you give one of our sales representatives a call. I'll leave the number here below. I'm Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos just like this brand new XSR700. And I'll see you on our next video.